Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do organic farming. First, understand that organic farming prioritizes ecological balance and biodiversity. It means cultivating crops and raising livestock without synthetic pesticides, herbicides, or genetically modified organisms. The goal is to work with nature, not against it, fostering a healthy ecosystem. This approach builds soil fertility naturally and promotes sustainable practices for long-term success. Healthy soil is the foundation of successful organic farming. Incorporate plenty of organic matter, like compost, to feed beneficial microorganisms and improve soil structure. Consider planting cover crops such as clover or vetch during off-seasons. They protect the soil from erosion and add valuable nitrogen. Regular soil testing helps you understand nutrient levels and make informed amendments. Managing pests and weeds organically involves working with nature. Encourage beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings, which prey on common garden pests. Use physical barriers, such as row covers, to protect young plants. For weeds, consistent manual removal, proper mulching, and strategic crop rotation are highly effective. This holistic approach minimizes damage without harmful chemicals. Choosing the right crops is crucial for organic success. Opt for varieties that are naturally resistant to common diseases and pests in your region. Diversify your plantings to create a more resilient ecosystem, which can naturally deter pest outbreaks. Implement a well-planned crop rotation schedule to prevent nutrient depletion and break disease cycles, ensuring long-term productivity for your farm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.